Today we're watching this, which is I need to go back to the beginning. But I just fucked the beginning. I'm done.
Every day. They've already taught us the important stuff. Why do we need to learn more?
So we can use them in our jobs. Could be an analyst, an accountant, and even a data scientist.
Okay, tell me exactly how a worker at Joyful Burger will need to know that 77 plus 33 equals 100.
Bro, come on.
Plus, why do we need to know the value of pi?
Why
You already know it tastes good?
Look at it this way. What if a customer at Joyful Burger wanted 77 burgers and 33 fries on the side?
Good.
Sure, the employee will wonder how much that is.
Okay, done.
Okay, but who would ever order that much food?
Don't you remember when we went there last Saturday with Mr. Dad? Also, for the record, 77 plus 33 isn't 100.
70, 80, 90. Pfft, whatever, genius.
Oh, Miss Seaman isn't here yet? She's never been late to class before.
Well, there's a first time for everything. I guess that means no class today.
Yeah.
Oh, hi everyone.
Oh,
Apologies for being late. I kind of lost my way on the school for quite a bit.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, sure.
Anyways, settle down because it's time for everybody's favorite subject.
It's not mine,
Excuse me,
just don't
sir.
say it.
I think you're in the wrong class.
Really? Is this Miss Simeon's classroom by any chance?
Yes?
Well then, that means I'm in the right classroom. Oh, I should probably introduce myself to the class first before I get to anything. My name is Professor Baltimore, but you can just call me Professor
Baltimore?
Baldy at that. I'll be your new substitute for today. Miss Simeon isn't here today because she and the other staff members are quote-unquote fed up, so they asked me and my coworkers to fill in for them for today.
I can see where he got his name from.
Yeah, his head shape looks like a maraca. Also, there's something really weird about him. It's like he's too...
Basic?
Yeah.
Gumall, Darwin, I can hear you.
Sorry, well, we were just
How
talking
come other
about
people
how,
not say anything in the back?
this,
You know what? It's fine. Everyone must be quiet because it's time for everybody's favorite subject,
Again,
math.
it's not.
Today, we're going to be looking at algebra.
math? Everybody's favorite subject?
That's what I'm
Gumball,
saying.
could you please sit back down?
Before I do,
not
I have
my
a few
favorite.
questions. First of all, why do you have a different colored elbow? And second of all, why do you have a wooden ruler? You know you can just use your hands to point at the chalkboard.
Look, kid, if you know what's good for you and you don't want to test my patience, it's best that you sit down and let me do my job.
And third of all, why are you called Mr. Baldy if you still have a single strand of hair? Might as well be called...
I said sit down and listen!
Oh my god.
Alright, Gumball.
Don't worry, sir. This is just something that happens whenever he's really scared. I'll take him to
Wow.
the infirmary.
I've seen this before. Now, Vicky, all I have to do is get his reflexes working again.
Oh,
Thank you, Doctor... You...
Don't mention it.
oh, that was it.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
I never heard of that.
Oh, Gumball Watterson, could I see you for a second, actually?
Sure.
We need to have a little talk about your grade.
Oh, a C+? Wow, that's the highest math grade I've ever scored.
The highest grade? Gumball, look, it appears to me like you could use a lot of help.
Help? No.
Let me finish.
Oh,
As for what I've seen, you seem to be struggling with the formulas a lot recently. But don't you worry, because I could help you with that. Here, take
if we
this.
switch that, never mind.
It's a handy dandy math textbook. I wrote it all myself. This should surely help you to do better next time.
Oh, thanks?
But you know
I
what?
guess-
Oh, it's no problem at all.
Let me
I just don't like seeing any low grades. Bad math isn't tolerated in my classroom, so I would study it for your own good. Now, get
Where's
on
the
out there.
apple?
I know for a fact you can get a better
We're
grade.
talking about the Apple
Uh-huh.
Dude, what took you so long?
Oh, it was just a substitute. He told me my score on the math test. I got a C+.
A C+? That's the highest grade that you've ever scored. Not if I was in a competition, though.
I know, right? But instead of congratulating me, he told me my score wasn't enough and gave me this weird book thingy.
Huh? Let me see that. All these basics of education and learning. Mathematics edition?
Yeah.
That's weird. Some of the math equations in here are impossible to read. The numbers are all jumbled together and mixed up.
I was struggling to come up with an excuse not to read it.
Good, because I
Dude,
was not going
look.
to do that either.
There's a QR code on here.
Let's scan it and see where it leads to.
What is this website? There's so many spelling errors, this might as well be a completely new language. Like, what does this word mean? That's not even a button you can type on the keyboard.
It probably just has trouble spelling.
He's a teacher. I don't think anyone would want a teacher who has a terrible case of dilusia.
Dilusia?
You know, dysphagia.
You mean dyslexia?
Dysuria, dyslexia, whatever.
Well, I think that we should write him a letter correcting him about his spelling errors.
Dude, you know you can just write an email, right?
Yeah, but does an email contain shiny gel markers in its paragraphs? I didn't think so.
Okay.
What the?
What?
All my notebooks are gone! I probably left them back at school.
You're telling me you left all your class notes at school, and you didn't even realize?
Well, I was probably too busy to notice. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to school and get them. And you're coming with me.
What? I can't.
Why not?
I'm busy.
Doing what?
Practicing my eating? Yeah, see?
What?
Yeah. Fine, I'll come with.
Whoa.
Oh, hi. Welcome back to my schoolhouse.
What the what? Mr. Baldy? What are you still doing here?
I should be asking the same question to you.
Oh, we just came back to...
Oh, don't you worry. I know what you're here for.
Don't.
You're here to collect your
Almost like-
notebooks.
How did you...
This one.
I already knew because I saw one of your notebooks laying in that classroom right over there.
Oh, thanks, I guess.
Yep.
Not yet.
But hey, where'd you come from?
That's none of your concern. What is, though, is that in order to
it's
collect
very
this
good.
notebook, you have to answer 3 math problems correctly.
God.
And if you do,
I
you
died
might
in
get
this
something
game.
special.
3.
Whatever.
Here, catch.
Oh,
Hey!
3.
Okay, Gumball. Just let...
Done.
Oh,
Dude, why?
What?
whoa. That's what
All
they
right, Gumball.
It's like
Shirley
that.
did a good job on these math quizzes.
Oh. Yeah,
Mr.
better run,
Baldy?
guys.
Is everything okay?
Yep, he's gone crazy. Run.
Yep. Just yeah,
I think if we want to make this seem like a chase, we're gonna have to adapt to his speed.
How are we gonna do that?
Just do as I do.
yeah, just that kind of speed, because
Hey, dude! Another classroom! Let's go check and see if one of my notebooks is in there.
how much notebooks you
Hey,
have?
there's one in here! I suspect that Mr. Baldy put these math pack thingies in each classroom in order for us to improve our math grades somehow.
Wow, real fun.
Wow.
Okay, let me just handle this.
Yep.
Okay, 4, 9, and... What?
What's the
Huh?
last? Oh,
I thought we were learning mathematics, not ancient hieroglyphics. What do we do? He's almost here.
yeah. Oh my god.
Forget it. Let's move. We really got to get out of here.
No running in the hall.
What?
15 seconds. Detention for you.
The
Don't make
face
me
in
do
it.
this again.
Where did it even come from?
I think he must be one of those coworkers Mr. Baldy was talking about earlier during class. But if we're not allowed to run, then how are we supposed to avoid...
Peekaboo.
Him? Oh. Okay, don't.
Sorry.
Chill.
Huh? Who are you?
Give me something great.
I got something great for you, buddy. A suggestion. Maybe hit the gym once in a while. It'd help a lot. Actually, maybe not once in a while. Say, once every hour. Anyways, we gotta run.
No items. No pass.
Oh, is that how it is? Oh, right
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.